Now we'll be fucking ready to go. Look at how fucking flat that is. That's what I'm talking about right there, man. I think it could get a little flatter, but that's fucking decent right there. Our first lap. Just a lap pile there. That should probably win it. It looked alright, man.
Yeah, I hit it now, man.
Yeah, I know, but you didn't hit it like too long. It was just alright. We gotta adjust this to our inch now. An inch, say?
Yeah, man, just one plank for the front. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Yep, so.
See if we're still filming here.
Huh?
We're still filming here.
Okay, it's fine, man.
Let's lift one side at a time, then.
No, not really. It's not that heavy, son.
I know, man. You know, maybe kitty corner would be good. Okay, this thing's on there.
I brought you little nails, man.
Yeah, I know. I put the little nails. It's just
So there's little nails and there's big nails.
kind of a high spot.
Oh, hi, baby. Hey. See, Coco, you're a good boy. You should both good.
Oh, bud. Look at that. That's fucking sick. Hey, Dad. This is ATF. It's going to be our bar oil though for today anyway. And we'll keep filling. I wish we should show them after the swamp that we just crossed infinitively. Now we're scouting for sawmill lumber.
This one right here, man.
Huh?
This one right here. Here's the town.
Fuck yeah, man. Look how it grew.
Here, there we got 4 pieces, 5 pieces in here.
Yep. We're gonna have to really watch how we cut that. This would be a nice clip for
Cut it
this.
right here. Right here, man. You leave that piece, you cut this piece off. You let this piece fall. Yeah, they're 8 feet long, son.
Man, that's what we need. You know, I'd honestly even just cut a little bit of stuff that's in the way. And this thing, that's just caught in, and just let it fall the rest of the way.
See this one? You gotta cut this one.
Yeah.
See how it's bending?
Yeah. Carefully cut that one. Get the fuck out of the way.
Yeah.
Hopefully this thing just continues to fall the way it's falling already. It's not going to break more than it already is, so we don't need to cut it from there because it's still hung up.
Man.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then we reboot. And the other, or you want to just pick it up? Cool. Yeah. Near the ends, I guess we'll go really slow.
What's up, son? You know, why you lonely? You miss me or what?
All right. Careful, Mike. Oh boy. It don't look like that thing's coming out. I don't know, man. It don't look like it's budging too good.
It's right around. It's underground now this way. Can't fucking run into it.
You have to fucking unhook and then put the truck the other way.
Leave it underground here, man. Take this out.
Hercules, Hercules. I got the hacksaw. We can hack her.
Try to take it out again from here, but pretty fucking in there, eh?
It's pretty in there, man. Stay. Those things are long. They're looking like they're 10 feet. Somewhere around there. Hell yeah, brother.
Burning oak on the fireplace. Outside. Ain't nothing like it. Come on, man, get off me.
Oh, we got a grub.
Let's smash.
He wants to scrap. Grubby. In a survival situation, I would be eating that. Luckily, I'm not in a survival situation. Dry ash. Just stuff that floats in from the beavers, as you can see. Yep. Some more ash. Some maple. Some other stuff. See ya.
And this is how you drop the blade.
Or raise. 2 3/4 right now is what we need to not smash into those nails. Okay, I'll do it. 2 3/4 right there. Look at all the sawdust now. Oh, that's right. Our cord busted, guys.
I don't think it fucking broke it untied, man. Look.
You guys missed it, but our last last,
Look at-
we didn't videotape it, but yeah. Right on our last cut, we ran out of gas as well. Right here. So if you count those 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We'll have roughly 15 pieces like last time from 1 tank of gas. So now we got 30 planks at 2 tanks.
Okay, come on, get up. Go, out.
Oh, they're fucking heavy, man. Okay, do you want anything on the floor? Like you just had a little bit of slab, didn't you?
We got what, 30 pieces there?
30 pieces plus, well, no, that's gonna be with the cutoffs, 4 cutoffs outside, and the 1 piece that we ran out of gas with. It's gonna be about 30 pieces, yeah, 2 tanks worth. I'd say that's pretty good.
Me too, because cabin needs it.
Now, all if you had to do is just rip one side of these, just to make it flat, and do whatever you had to do. Put this through the planer, make your cabinets, maybe a door, window trim.
We'll get the other ones.
So like gonna adjust.
The other ones we'll put here.
Uh-oh, what is this thing doing? XP. X torque power. Well, guys, excited to tell you we have the 372 XT coming. 28-inch bar, 3 chains. Let's check out these slabs. Hey, man. What's that? It's not bad though.